So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a corporate investing account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go ahead here on the home page, just scroll down to where it says add an account, press on that, then press on open a new account. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down towards the bottom to where it says corporate investing, a self-directed investment account for business owners, especially those with cash reserves. Go ahead and press on that. So once you're here, it'll say corporate investing, a self-directed corporate investing account for business owners. Control your investments, increase your returns, easy access to your money. You can go ahead and press on next. Now, once you're here, you can check the eligibility, and if you fall within this eligibility, you can go ahead and open up this account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a corporate investing account on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.